Disengaging primary cryofeed.
Clank, get the light, would you? Huh? Oh boy. Clank! Where are we?
I do not know. Have you located Quark?
Little help here? Someone? I think my thing is broken.
Oh, perfect. Can this get any worse?
Oh, Lance, kiss me, love me, hold me like you used to before you became a flesh-eating zombie.
Oh, perfect. Can these things get any worse?
Oh, Lance, kiss me, love me, hold me like you used to before you became a flesh-eating zombie.
Quark, would you?
You twit! You dare lay your squishy hands on me? If I get down from here, I'll rip you in half!
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. We need to find...
To get down.
Excuse me! What you doing up there?
Hey! Hey, little girl. Can you get us out of here?
Aye, aye, Lumbax.
Ow! That's gotta hurt. I could have used just a jetpack. Well, it was a nasty fall ever.
A letter. And it's written in macaroni. Dear Lombax, these vac-U's will come in handy. Love, Susie.
Let me go, you half-wit!
I'm trying. Maybe if I just...
You okay, Nefarious?
Miserable, stupid, incompetent!
Please, we must all stay calm. We are going to have to work together until we find out where we are and how to get home.
Clank's right. For the sake of our own survival, and for drama, we must set aside our petty squabbles and act as a singular unit.
For now.
Crank! Sever!
Man, it is good to see you guys.
Lady, it's good to see you.
It's good to see you too, kid. How's everything going with NEFA?
I can spell, you morons.
What is this thing?
This doohickey is an Apogee Industries communication pod. We deployed them all around the planet so we can communicate and send supplies.
So you know where we are. That's great. You can come down and rescue me. Us. Collectively.
Well, no can do, Mr. President. See, we tracked your nav unit to planet Magnus, but someone fell asleep and piloted us into a darn asteroid field. We're sort of stranded above the stratosphere awaiting rescue. But don't worry, when they get us, we'll get you. In the meantime, we've hacked into an old spy satellite to monitor your positions. And we've set up a comm link with GromoNet. If you need weapons, just access one of these pods and wire us some bolts. We'll teleport the supplies to the surface. Find a safe spot and hang tight, rookie. We'll get you off this rock. And you, I'm watching you. Whippersnapper.
Get down, mister!
We call it Ephemeris, the creature collector. Oh, it's been around for over 100 years, snatching the universe's most dangerous beasts and bringing them here. to our planet?
Who is in control of the machine?
No one knows. But that tyrant you saw in our village was its emissary, Commander Spock. He has been protecting Ephemeris for years. But now that you're here...
Whoa, look. I'm just trying to find my way home.
But you're Ratchet. You saved the whole universe. You're not supposed to... Oh, I sneezed in my mask.
Listen, kid, I'd love to help you and your dad, but my pal and I, we're retired. As soon as we're off the planet, we'll notify the Defense Force.
Susie is not my daughter. I'm afraid her parents were lost during the Ephemeris raid on Totem Phi. Like many other children here, she is an orphan.
Poor Susie. No wonder why it's like has no family. Just like us, Ratchet.
All right. So where do we find this Commander Spock?
Yeah, I'm not so big on the whole haunted forest thing.
That's cool. I just thought you'd want to raise your approval rating by saving a few thousand voters. I guess parades and groupies just aren't everyone's thing.
Wait a minute. Both of those are my things. Wait up!